Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Multi-threading and multiprocessing in Selenium WebDriver with Python. Introduction. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web applications, and combining it with multi-threading or multiprocessing can enhance the efficiency and speed of your automated tests. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Python's multiprocessing module in conjunction with Selenium WebDriver to run tests concurrently. Requirements. Code example. Let's create a simple example to demonstrate multiprocessing with Selenium WebDriver. We'll use the popular testing website http://www.google.com to search for a query in parallel. Explanation. Note: ensure you have the correct WebDriver, chromedriver or geckodriver, for your browser installed and added to the system path. Conclusion. Multiprocessing with Selenium WebDriver can significantly speed up test execution, especially when dealing with multiple test scenarios. Experiment with different scenarios and adapt the code to your specific testing needs. ChatGPT.